In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Typeform. For those of you who rely on Typeform for creating engaging forms and surveys, ensuring your account details are up to date is crucial for maintaining seamless communication. Whether you've recently changed your primary email address or simply wish to update your Typeform account details for personal or business reasons, this tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's navigate to the Typeform website. This is where the magic happens and where you'll start the process of updating your email address. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's typically located in the upper right hand corner of the home page. But depending on any updates to the site's layout, its position might slightly change. After clicking login, you'll be prompted with several options for accessing your account. In this tutorial, we're specifically going to use the Continue with Google option. This method is straightforward and especially handy if your Typeform account is linked to a Google account. Selecting this option will redirect you to choose which Google account you'd like to use for logging in. Now, patience is key. You might need to wait for a couple of minutes. This waiting period could vary depending on your internet connection speed or the Typeform server's response time. While waiting, it's a good moment to ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any unnecessary interruptions during the process. Once logged in, we'll direct our attention to accessing your profile settings. To do this, locate your profile picture or the placeholder image if you haven't set up one yet. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Your Settings. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the settings page where you can manage your personal information, including the email address associated with your Typeform account. Now, you're at a crucial part of the process, changing your email. On the settings page, look for the Change Email link. It should be relatively easy to spot, but take your time to navigate through the options if it's your first time exploring the settings page. The design of Typeform's interface is intuitive, making such features accessible. Clicking on Change Email will prompt you to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that any changes made to the account are authorized by you, the account holder. After you have entered your password, you're ready to introduce your new email address into the corresponding field. This update is what you're here for, so make sure you've double-checked the spelling and that it's an email you have active access to. Lastly, the final step is confirmation. Look for a button or link that says Confirm after you've entered your new email address. This action solidifies the change and an email will likely be sent to your new address asking you to verify the change. Ensure that you access your new email account and follow any additional verification steps required by Typeform to complete the process. And there you have it. Changing your email address on Typeform isn't just simple, it's also a crucial step in ensuring that your account remains secure and that you continue to receive important communications regarding your forms and surveys. Remember, keeping your account details up to date, especially your email address, ensures a smoother, more efficient workflow and keeps you in the loop on any responses, updates or changes within Typeform. Before wrapping up, a quick tip. It's a good idea to regularly check that all your account details are current and to use a password that's both strong and unique to Typeform. This increases your account's security and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We aim to provide you with clear, concise and straightforward instructions on managing your Typeform account. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make your Typeform experience as seamless and productive as possible.